Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Chris. In today's video, I'm taking a trip back to Bargain Grocery. Now I did a video here not too long ago. I'll link it below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Bargain Grocery is a little far for me. It's about an hour. That's why I don't go there all the time, but I like to go there and check it out every now and then because they have really good deals. That's why it's called Bargain Grocery. But the other good thing about it is that they have so many different products that are always coming in. It's not like they keep the same things over and over. They're always getting new things, and it's a lot cheaper than you would find them in other stores. And all of their profits go right back into the community, so that's pretty cool as well. People ask, are these products expired or bad? No, they're not. They're not bad, and they're not expired. Some of them might be a little bit closer to the expiration date, but I've never seen anything that's actually expired. So we're gonna go there today and see what deals they have. So let's go. When you first walk in, you're gonna find their bread. Today they have the Heidelberg bread, which is actually local to this area. It's a vegan bread. I love the French peasant. Normally it's about $4 or $5 a loaf, but here it's only $2 a loaf. So I grabbed a couple of those. And just around the corner from that is the produce section where you can just pick and choose whatever you want over here. And most of the stuff is pretty good, and it's a pretty good deal as well. These watermelons only $2.50. Compared to what I find at my other grocery stores, that was a pretty good deal. The parsley, I grabbed one of those for 99 cents. And this is the biggest sweet potato I've ever seen. The squash was only 99 cents, which is actually a pretty good deal over there. I've only seen it that cheap at the farmer's market. And avocados, from where I am, $1 per avocado is a pretty good deal for me. And these, I had to check them out because of the name, Purple Ninja Radishes. That intrigued me. And then next to those were the parsley root for 99 cents, thinking about making a root vegetable soup. And then I had to show the beets for 99 cents a pound, and I grabbed a few of these because where I normally shop, they are pretty expensive for very tiny ones. And I'll probably juice those. And here's the golden beets right next to them. And then watermelon for $4 each. That's a good deal, but some of them were rotten. I did find a couple good ones though. And I found Ripple yogurt. I didn't know they made a yogurt, but they had strawberry and vanilla and peach, and they were pretty decently priced. Most yogurt that I've seen is $1.50 to $2 per, and these were only 50 cents. They had a vegan Chobani, blueberry, and then over here they had their organic oat milk cold brew. Now I don't do cold brew, but they do have it if you guys are interested. And then I found this veggie burger, beet and kale. I've never seen it before, but I checked that out, and it is vegan. They also have the tofu right there, which wasn't much of a deal because it's the same price as where I normally shop. And they have a ton of different vegan plant milks. So they have the Almond Breeze, the Silk, and a few other ones. And they're $2.50, which is cheaper than I find them in any stores I go to. So that's a good deal right there. This is the coconut milk, which I don't really care for coconut milk, but if you guys like coconut milk, here you go for only $1.99. And would you look at that? Country Crock went and made a vegan buttery spread. What's the saying? If you can't beat them, join them. Well, they have this here non-dairy vegan olive oil buttery spread, and they also have this almond oil spread. And for $2.49, that's about half the price you'll find it in the store. And I actually grabbed this chana masala lemon rice. It says vegan right there in the corner or in the middle. And I had this for lunch. It's pretty good. And then we have the hummus for $2, $1.99. And Thai coconut curry hummus. I've never seen this before, but it's vegan and it's only $2. If you're looking to make a stir fry, they have these teriyaki flavor vegan stir fry noodles, and they are $1.39. And Chow makes a really good vegan cheese, and here's a package right here for half the price, $2.49. We have the garlic and herb, and I was excited to see this because I haven't seen the herbs and chives tofu cream cheese in about 15-20 years. So, and it's only $1.69, so I grabbed a couple of those. And then Sweet Lawrence has several different flavors of cookies, cookie dough. And this is the oatmeal cranberry. That's the only flavor they had here from this company. Here's some of the nutritional information on the back. And moving over to the freezer section, we have the Sweet Earth Teriyaki Veggie Burger for only $2. Amy's Vegan Mac and Cheese for only $2. That's pretty good deal because usually it's like $4 or $5. And then Gardein, the meatloaf, I don't think I've ever seen the meatloaf before, and that was only $3. And then they had the Chipotle black bean burger for also $3. So those are pretty good compared to how much they normally go for in the store. And then we have this organic quinoa and kale burger. I've never seen this before. I don't think I've even heard of the company. And then the Morningstar barbecue chicken nuggets. These are some of the best chicken nuggets in my opinion, and they're only $3. And then they also had for $3 the Morningstar Farms steak strips. So that was a pretty good deal compared to how much they are in the store. Another Gardein chicken tenders. And then the skillet meals normally go for like $7 or $8 where I see them, and this was only $3. So that's definitely a bargain if you're looking for that. And then Indian vegetable korma, another meal for $3 by Amy's. And they're also gluten-free. And here is the Gardein golden fishless fillets. So all in all, there's a ton of different vegan meals in the freezer department. Now this was the big deal that I found. Justin's dark chocolate vegan peanut butter cups, and you get a whole box for $5. So that was a super steal because normally they're almost $2 per package, and you get 12 packages in a box, which would normally be between $20 and $24. But these were only $5, so I picked up one for myself and a bunch of them for friends and family. And look, they even have a vegan dog food here. Now, I've never tried this with my dogs, but they do have it and it's pretty cheap. And I found some Made in Nature Figgy Pops. I've featured these on my channel several times. These are only $3 and they have a variety of different things. Enjoy Life has soft baked cookies, Snickerdoodle for $2.50, sold as a set. This is a box of individually wrapped almond butter packets. And then more Made in Nature, these are the coconut chips. And that's it. If you're ever in the area, check out Bargain Grocery in Utica, New York. Well, there you have it. That's what I found today at Bargain Grocery. Definitely a ton of vegan things and also a bunch of good deals. So let me know if you guys have been here, some of the bargains that you found, or maybe you have a place that's similar to this where you live, where you find the best deals around you. I hope you guys liked this video. If so, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.